Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your date and settings of your time, your clock time on your Audi A4 S4
We are sitting on the driver's side of our vehicle and we are going to change the date and time settings in our multimedia interface. That means if you see in the front of you the date and the time, you can go there by using the mode button until you switch to setting all, and then here go to the upper side, to the upper option. Then you can see there is the date and the time. That means today, Wednesday, the date and the time, the local time. How we can now enter the right time? We're going to use the multimedia interface for that. Ignition should be on. Then we have here a joystick to navigate right or up and down. Choose a setting or choose a menu by pushing down the button. You can also go to the left side, go to the right side. In syntax, you have a left button, right button. And of course, then it's possible to go to the menu, back to the main menu. Here, this is the main menu, or you can go back one step backward. So this is the navigation, and we are now at the multimedia interface here. We go down. There are two setting modes, which is possible. If you like it in a cool style, that means in a red area, you go to car, date and time. Here we are. If you have not this date and time there, you go to the left side and change to the vehicle settings. Okay? Then go date and time. Now you can see it is set automatically. That means the GPS informations, the global positioning system will set the right date and time settings over there. If you does not like that, you can push and remove this checkbox. Then you can change your time as you like. And of course, you can change the date as you like. Here we are, future baby. Time zones are possible too. You can choose the right zone where you navigate at the moment. And of course, automatic time zone are possible. This is the GPS thing. That means if you're in this zone, you will automatically switch to that zone. And time format, AM, PM, English style, or 24 hours. You can see it changed now to 1:40 p.m. And of course, the time format is the same. You can change in the date format. This is day, month, and year. Month, date, and year, or year, month, and date. So you can change this as you like. And then, of course, we can see the other style of the date and time in our center console. Really cool, eh? Yes, of course. But there's another possibility. We go to the main menu, go down to settings. And here you can see language and then date and time. And now you can see the date and time menu in gray and black. It's the same thing. Set it automatically or choose time, date, time zones, automatic time zones, time format. You can choose what you prefer, of course. You can choose and change the date format with that already. It is already that you join these settings. And after this, you have the right time and the right date in the center console of your car. And of course, in syntax, it is possible to use this time and date for all the other stuff, like navigation and telephone and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.